What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm sitting in front of my real computer here, not in front of my tiny little Mac, because I had a keyboard warrior commenting on my last video saying, you should buy a real computer, you can't use this, blah, blah, blah. Well, this is a real computer. It's great. It's got more than enough power to do what I want it to do. It's an insane gaming computer, but sometimes I choose to just use the MacBook because it's right there in my dining room. I can sit there when my kids are watching TV. I don't have to come and isolate myself in the bedroom in front of the big computer. So that's why I was using that printer. But that's not what this video is about. This video is more just about dropping in, touching base, and kind of giving you my first impressions on the AMS Lite, as well as printing PETG in the P1S. Amazing. So clearly I'm popular with the cat today. So I was going to say something else, but I didn't say it. So it's kid friendly. Yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so I was telling you guys we were getting a lot of rain, and I was trying to explain just how much rain we were getting, but check this out. This is a little bit crude, but it'll give you an idea. Check that out. That is filled to right about there. So that's like, I don't know, 10 inches of rain. Now, this is kind of gross, but yeah, all the cans are full. That's literally over the course of 2 days. We got a lot of rain. That's why you've seen all these articles on the news about flooding here, there, and everywhere, because it was pretty nasty. But yeah, let's get back to print. I wanted to show you that because I was about to put some of my recycling into that can, and when I came out and looked at that, I just had a good chuckle. So yeah, let's get back to printing. All right, so we're back inside. So what I wanted to talk about today was, if you're ever wondering if your P1S and your A1 Mini or A1 or just I think any other 3D printer would not get along so well on the same table, well, the short answer is yeah, it's true, they won't. I had quite the issue. So as you probably remember in my last video, I was, let's zoom out here. I had put the A1 Mini right here and just shoved the P1S over there. And I was getting all kinds of layer shifting when I was trying to print on the two machines simultaneously. And I did that as a test because I wanted to know if it was going to be an issue. And I left them at the standard speed. It wasn't like I was in Ludicrous or Sport or anything. But yeah, I was having some issues. So I decided for the time being, put the P1S in the middle, put the A1 Mini on this side, printing a poop chute in here with some PETG. And I haven't done any PETG on the P1S, and I gotta say, I'm thoroughly impressed. Like, I don't know, can you see that in there? Like, it is flawless. And this is just the standard PETG profile in bamboo slicer. So yeah, it's incredible. So I don't know, I might start printing more PETG with that machine. When I had the Enders, they did not like the PETG. So yeah, back to what I was talking about. So they don't like being on the same table. Had to move them. I'm gonna have to figure something else out for that. But for the time being, that can stay there. That can stay there. Good enough. Let's get back to printing some fun stuff. So I'll give you a couple of my first thoughts on the AMS Lite, because I already talked about the A1 Mini, how I absolutely love that thing. It's a great little printer. It's an excellent starter printer. And even for people that are quite deep into it, it's a great printer. Very versatile. But the AMS Lite, man, that thing's a game changer. So I can't wait to get the AMS put on here. But just this guy. Let's just talk about this guy. Having the ability to run plastic spools or cardboard with zero issues is huge for me. We all know the issues that the big AMS for these guys has, where you either have to print the ring that goes around it or not use cardboard spools, and in turn you have to re-spool your spools. I don't want to do that. That's why I put the AMS on here first, because I don't want to deal with that. But now that I've got the AMS, I've fallen in love because it has opened up so many things that I can print. And let me tell you, I've been having some fun in the last couple of days, and my kids are loving it. So right now I'm printing some frogs for my daughter. She wanted to give some of these to her friends, so I figured what the heck. But I also printed a bunch of ladybugs that are on my table. Let's go have a look at those. Alright, so these are the ladybugs I was talking about here. So these things are super cute, super easy to print, no supports. I'll put the link to the designer in the description here, but absolutely adorable. And I think I printed 18 on a plate. If I was going to print 4, it was going to take 4 hours. And I thought, well, I wonder how long it would take if I printed multiple. So I added, 14 more, and it took 11 hours to print all of those. There was a little bit of waste, I gotta say, though. The waste kind of caught me off guard, but I also printed these guys. I got some Deadpool keychains, I got the Grinch, I got Yoshi. These are awesome. I think these are my favorite. I don't know, and I love the texture. So I'm gonna try the, what is it called, the Hilbert curve. I'm gonna try that for the top surface. I'm gonna do that once I'm done printing those, but I'll talk about this green Mickey Mouse in a second. But we got a Mickey Mouse. We got there was a Deadpool with him holding a unicorn. I don't see him anywhere. Oh, we can talk about this fail as well. So I didn't realize I had selected the wrong color, so we got an angry or a sick Mickey Mouse. I don't know what you want to say there. And then the mushroom from Mario, I can't remember what it's called. And I did the same thing. I didn't select the right port on the AMS, so it printed whatever it thought I wanted to print. Clearly, that's not what we wanted, but it's funny. It's a good laugh, so we'll give those to somebody. My daughter will probably find something to do with them. I don't know. So overall, though, if you're on the fence about an AMS, I highly recommend it because as you just seen the stuff I've been printing, we couldn't have did that before. Yeah, you can do like some color change. You can get a couple different colored layers, but you can't do the intricate stuff in the middle, which is mind-blowing that 3D printing can even do that nowadays. But yeah, if you're on the fence, grab an AMS. It is so worth it. We're having a lot of fun. We'll keep you in the loop with what's happening with this thing, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to printing. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.